Container gardening has surged in popularity in recent years, offering a myriad of benefits for both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the top 10 reasons why growing vegetables in containers is a rewarding and practical endeavor. 1. Conquer the space dilemma. Who needs a sprawling backyard when you can transform your tiny balcony into a veggie paradise? With containers, you can kiss space constraints goodbye and grow your own delicious veggies right at home. 2. Easy peasy accessibility. Say goodbye to back-breaking work in the garden. Containers put your plants right at arm's reach, making it a breeze to tend to them without breaking a sweat. Grandma and the kiddos can join in on the fun too. 3. Soil wizardry. With containers, you're the soil magician. Mix up your own custom blend, tailor-made for each veggie's preferences. No more dealing with crappy soil or unwanted critters. It's all under your control. 4. Beat Mother Nature at her own game. Who says you can't grow veggies year-round? With containers, you're the boss. When the weather turns nasty, just bring those babies indoors and keep on growing, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. 5. ByeBy pests and diseases. Elevate your plants, elevate your game. Containers keep those pesky pests and nasty diseases at bay, so you can enjoy healthy, happy veggies without the hassle. 6. WeedFree Wonderland. Forget spending hours pulling weeds. Container gardening means saying adios to those pesky invaders and hello to more time enjoying your garden paradise. 7. Garden on the go. Containers are like the superheroes of gardening. They go where you go. Want to switch up your garden layout? No problem. Containers make it easy to move your veggies wherever you please. 8. Water like a pro. Containers help you water smarter, not harder. Say goodbye to wasted water and hello to happy, hydrated veggies, all thanks to those handy pots. 9. Garden Glamour. Who says veggies can't be stylish? With containers, you can create Instagram-worthy garden displays that'll make your neighbors green with envy. Mix and match pots. Get creative with your arrangements and let your garden shine. 10. Learn and grow. Container gardening isn't just about growing veggies. It's about learning, experimenting, and having a blast along the way. Get the whole family involved. Try out new techniques, and watch your garden thrive like never before. So there you have it, 10 epic reasons why container vegetable gardening rocks the house. Get out there, grab some pots, and let the gardening adventure begin.